So you've got your DJI MINI 2, a wonderful little drone, 4K recording, really smooth, really slick, very compact. Take it on holiday, take it on days away, take it away for weekends. It's a wonderful bit of kit, really, really nice. But you want to get the most out of it without damaging it. And you will at some point need to take the footage off of the drone and put it onto your computer so you can edit it or show it to friends. So there's various ways of doing that. I'm going to show you the best way to do it without doing any damage to your drone. It does come with a lovely controller, and you can use the phone and the controller to download the footage from the drone onto your app in your phone. So you can look at it there and it's silky smooth, it looks wonderful. However, there's a better way. So when you've gone and got all this lovely footage, and you've been on holiday and you've got some really good shots, you're going to want to get that off your drone. But the way most people would tell you to do it is to plug the drone into your PC using a USB-C lead, or just use the app that comes with the drone. Problem with that is if you're going to use the drone, either of those methods, you have to have the drone switched on all the time, and you'll see the drone gets really, really hot. That's because the drone really cools itself while it's in the air. There's lots of airflow while it's flying through the sky. You don't really want to leave your drone switched on at home while it's just sat there, because it will just overheat and get hot, and over time it will cause damage to your drone. So there's a much better way. This is the best way to get the footage off your drone and onto your PC. I'm going to share it with you now. Follow this method because it will make your drone last a lot longer. You can do this method without even turning your drone on. That's how cool your drone will stay. You literally just take the memory card out of your drone and you buy one of these micro USB adapters. You can get these off eBay or Amazon. Literally just put the SD card into the adapter and it can then plug into a USB port on your computer or your laptop. Plug that onto your laptop and fire up your laptop. In a moment I'll show you where to get the files off of that card and save them onto your laptop. So from your main screen you'll go to my computer, and here you'll see the removable drive. Click on that. In here you'll have the DCIM option. Click on that. And then you've got the 100 media. All your videos will be in this folder here, and you can then just copy them or drag and drop them, or even watch them from this menu. It really is that simple. You can do this by leaving your drone switched off. It's not sitting there overheating, it's not burning battery, it's not getting warm, and even in hot countries that would even cause more damage to your drone. So please use this method. It's a far more sensible way to get the footage off your drone and onto your PC. Thanks for joining me today to watch this short video. I do hope it helps you. It's helped me a lot, this method, and I can't really recommend it enough to keep your drone in good condition. Also remember to keep tightening those screws that hold the blades on. There is a screwdriver with the drone and those blades can work loose over time. Please like and share this video. Please comment on this video. If you subscribe, that will be amazing to help me grow this channel. I'll try and do more and more videos with hints and tips for the Mini 2. So please hit me up and let me know what you think. Cheers.